In fact, I can say 61 years currently. Now, the profile and then the normal Ghana nationally. Manfuni when it comes to education STEM, as you've mentioned already, and Onuan Kasano coming from Ashanti region, which is the stronghold of the MPP. Also, Senko be flag bearer. I think that also bit me a pursue massive na etumi aboa the MPP, but although Adutwum is highly respected. In fact, Osha will be a woman for corruption target will be respecting it, but or lack the political base. That's a fact. And then secondly, Osha national charisma. As to say nipa be who say Adutwum presidential material no bibi no, I think that he will need time to work on it. The MPP more the grassroots no crown so another challenge for Adutwum. So betumi pulu edinechi. In fact, technocrats no more MPP mono respect Adutwum. Based on a knowledge base near the other, no respecting a pa. But oba fem ho no, I said na Eugene can a fem ho for no. There's a challenge for Adutwum so betumi na almost na puli ediwechi. Emma no matumi wie you. Na eze kro so mbetre electoral we ni mu no. Beya din ama Adutwum when it comes to say obetumi pulu votes. As we speak, na me hwehwe no ma bi kakra. Adutwum will between maybe low to moderate kakra. Menkanesa as what them fin kakra na ho den no enhyeda enye dene bebre compared to Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia and the Kennedy Japan baby a omo charisma no etumi edru in the national divide no enti Adutwumas Eugene kan no obey best for running mate or vice presidential candidate and no mumbe boa no na nka man exposure no so that with me amass up the national charisma no every now if you call on to the grassroots no but mestre say now that was our ambition no Dr. Adutwum should go down to the grassroots na ono mu relate very well na future no very bright for him.
All right, mamene Brian Echampon the Okasamano